dashboard here. Now, I found this gem on my dash cam from back on Christmas Eve of 22. I could see smoke from quite a way off and thought maybe the grass on the side of the road was on fire. However, as I got closer, I could see a white truck pulled over. As I got even closer to the scene, I could see smoking chunks of metal on the side of the road and oil spilled nearby. Apparently, this guy in the white truck had hand grenaded the bottom end of his diesel engine. And what made it even worse is, of course, that it was on Christmas Eve. So, this guy probably didn't have a very Merry Christmas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
I bet it is. I don't know. No, that's a fire on the highway. Is it? Yep. Yeah. Oh, he blowed her up. That was the bottom end of his motor. Sucks to be him here on Christmas Eve.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.